Hi, this is Glenn here from Dana Ridge. Today we're going to be blasting a printed circuit board. We're going to be using glass bead. What you would normally do with these is blast the lacquer off. If you have something like a blown capacitor or a resistor, they can release acid into the printed board, and so we can blast that lacquer off and do a repair and then re-lacquer the surface.
So I'll be blasting here with glass bead, which is about 44 to 88 microns. We're blasting at about 60 psi. You could probably actually drop that down a little bit, maybe 40 psi. Pretty quick, it only took a few seconds to blast. So I've been working with these machines for the last sort of 12-13 years. Still get that wow factor when you take parts out. It's quite amazing what these machines can do, like quite a range of finishes. Get like really gentle, like in this case, and you can also put in a powder coated part and blast that off using a different grit. So it's a very versatile machine.